The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R is not just an update, it's a total redefinition of what a naked bike can be. It's louder, meaner, more aggressive, and somehow even crazier than its already bonkers predecessor. Nicknamed the Beast, for years, KTM's flagship Hyper Naked just got a serious power and tech injection, and now it's ready to take on the title of the world's most insane naked bike. Let's talk about the engine first, because that's what defines the Super Duke R. KTM has bumped up the displacement to 1,350cc thanks to a larger bore and shorter stroke setup. It now pumps out an estimated 190 horsepower and over 145 Nm of torque. That's superbike level output in a bike with no fairings to hide behind. It's still using a 75-degree V-twin LC8 engine, and it sounds just as angry, if not more aggressive, than ever. The low growl at idle turns into a full-blown roar as the revs climb, and it feels like the bike is begging you to unleash it at all times. Everything about this motor screams raw power and Austrian lunacy. But power is nothing without control, and KTM knows this. For 2025, they've gone all in on electronics. You get the full suite of rider aids, including lean-sensitive traction control, cornering abs, multiple ride modes, wheelie control, launch control, and even engine braking management. There's also a slick new 5-inch TFT display that's more intuitive and customizable, allowing you to toggle between modes with ease while on the move. The optional tech pack brings in performance tracking tools like lap timing and telemetry, turning your beast into a track day weapon. The chassis has also received updates. The frame remains a chrome moly steel trellis unit, but it's been tweaked for better stiffness and handling response. KTM has shaved off weight wherever possible, and the bike tips the scales at just under 200 kg wet. Combine that with the insane torque curve, and you've got a machine that can rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds. The suspension comes from WP Apex Pro components, fully adjustable front and rear, offering superb feedback on both road and track. Whether you're carving corners or launching out of them, the Super Duke R stays composed yet ferociously alive. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema calipers with massive 320mm discs up front, and the bite is brutal. The bike stops as hard as it accelerates, and the feel at the lever is precise and confidence-inspiring. You'll need that stopping power when you're flirting with triple-digit speeds in a blink. Visually, the 2025 Super Duke R has taken the aggressive look even further. The front end is angular and sharp, with a new split LED headlight that looks like it came off a stealth fighter. The tank is more sculpted, the subframe more minimalist, and the overall look screams Predator. Everything from the exposed frame to the sharp tail section gives off the vibe of a weaponized machine, ready to devour roads and tracks alike. KTM has also worked on rider ergonomics. The seating triangle is aggressive but not punishing. You sit in the bike rather than on it, which gives you a better sense of control. The bars are wide and flat, the foot pegs high and rear set, and the seat, while firm, offers enough comfort for spirited street rides. It's still not a touring machine, but it's definitely more livable than some of the competition. All of this adds up to a bike that's absolutely unhinged but still surprisingly rideable. It's a paradox, refined savagery, if such a thing exists. KTM hasn't built this for beginners or casual riders. This is for seasoned motorcyclists who want a bike that pushes them to their limits every time they twist the throttle. The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke R isn't just about speed, it's about experience, intensity, and a relentless assault on the senses. So, is it the world's most insane naked bike? With its unmatched combination of raw V-twin power, lightweight chassis, cutting-edge electronics, and that unmistakably aggressive design, the answer might just be yes. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's an adrenaline generator on 2 wheels, and it doesn't care about subtlety. The beast is back, and it's hungrier than ever.